Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the platform supports Premove and that you're logged in. Once done, open the game settings and find the control labeled Premove or Move Preview. This is often under Controls or Gameplay. Make sure latency-reducing options are on so Premoves register reliably. Toggle Premove on now and save settings. If there's an input delay option, set it to the lowest practical value. Doing these first prevents misregistered moves and gets you into the next setup step immediately. Once Premove is enabled, configure how it behaves. You should adjust input delay to between 0 and 50 ms depending on your connection. Lower values make Premoves feel immediate. Next, bind Premove to your preferred control, use mouse clicks or a dedicated hotkey for consistency. Then enable on-screen feedback so you see the predicted move before it executes. This reduces costly mistakes. Finally, test a few Premoves in a practice match to confirm accuracy and to refine timing and controls before live use. Finish by testing Premove through several real or practice rounds. You should feel the rhythm and confirm moves trigger as intended. If you notice misfires, increase the input delay in small increments or rebind the control to reduce accidental inputs. Make sure your client saved the setting. If toggles revert, restart the app and clear the cache. One key troubleshooting tip: when Premoves fail unpredictably, verify network stability and test again after toggling low latency mode. Most issues trace back to timing, not the Premove feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.